without like, oh, can I tell one more story?
Tell as many
Because
stories
this one
as you
has
want.
to do with JDF, and it's fun.
So when the show first came out, I always get my timing wrong. So if David was here, he would definitely be correcting me, but he's not here. So I'm just gonna go with my own timeline. We flew to Hawaii. Have you guys heard this story before? That's okay. So they flew us to Hawaii, and they had no idea how popular the show was. Nobody did, except for the children, right? Anyway, so we landed in Hawaii, and they announced it on the radio. And when the plane landed, I think there was over 10,000 people in that airport, waiting outside and inside. And it was me, Jason, and David. And I just remember getting off the plane and then getting onto the, I don't know, into the airport. And you know how when you go to Hawaii, they lay you. So they started laying us. No security again. Just getting laid and getting laid and getting laid and getting laid. And to the point that we're walking and JDF is right in front of me, and we got laid so much. I just remember Jason turning around and looking at me, and all I see are his eyes.
He looked like a Furby.
Because there was so many flowers up on top of him, and his eyes were just like, and I was like, oh my God. He loved it though, because then we got outside, and I just remember it was swarms of people, and we got in the limo, and then he climbed on the roof of the limo, and we were driving through the swarms of people, and he was just he was awesome. Anyway, we almost were laid to death. Anyway.
That's incredible. And
it was crazy.
And two
okay.
questions. What are you grateful for?
Well, right now, my heart is so full with everybody who's come to my table, and I just this weekend I was so nervous because of everything that's happened recently, and if anything, this weekend has been very healing. I don't know for anybody else, but it's just been really nice. And I just want to share this thing without crying, but I was told somebody this morning that for the first time in my life, I've realized what an autograph holds. Because I didn't get it. I was like, oh, people want autographs. They want my autograph. Oh, okay. But every time someone would come up with something signed by JDF, it buzzed with this like energy that he had touched that. And it just, I was like, I get it. Oh my God, I suddenly get it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And so thank you for all of your love.
That is something to be grateful for.
Yeah.